the new way of working, I would say, and I'm going to be very careful about this because it may not be new, but it's new to me, because I came from a communication, advertising, marketing background for most of my career, and it's very much new to me. And the reason why I joined that industry was to learn and upskill and all that stuff. So I kind of feel now that I can see things very differently, which could possibly help other people in advertising and marketing. And one of those things is bringing in, it's true collaboration. And when you look at the jury today, it was true collaboration. We've got some of the best creative minds in that room. They would ordinarily be competitors, but today they were a team. This is like the world-class creative team, right? So that really, for me, is the next business model, is you get the very best minds in one room, try to make it diverse. So if you're building a new type of city block or whatever, bring in an architect, but bring in people who have different needs. So, bring in different personas, and work with those people and actually build a small society. How do you do the medical part? How do you do the shopping? How do you do the whatever? Where's the Wi-Fi come from? And this kind of building a new, we call it building a cross-functional team. So what we normally do is we'll bring in customers, we'll bring in clients, we'll bring in specialists or subject matter experts to solve things from different angles. And I kind of felt that in my past, it was kind of almost like a handover from client to planner, planner to creative, creative back to planner, back to client. And how I work today is actually strategist, creative, CEO, technology, data, whatever. Everyone is in that room at that table having a coffee together and saying, how do we build this together? And it's true co-creation. And frankly, it was a real shock to do that because I'd never really, very little, I'd done that very little, except for on pitches. So to do that day to day it took quite a lot of adjusting to, and now I wouldn't change it. I wouldn't go back to the other way.